कभी तो बाथरूम में शाइन ला दो दीदी। ये काम अर्बन कंपनी को दो, उनका 1 आवर शाइन चैलेंज दो।
अर्बन कंपनी 1 आवर शाइन चैलेंज, 1 घंटे की रेगुलर क्लीनिंग जो ना कर पाए वो शाइन अब 1 घंटे कर पाए।
शाइन वाली क्लीनिंग के लिए नॉट मी, अर्बन कंपनी।
Here's how I made this calming digital art. First, I shot the footage. Now it's blended time. I modeled the floor and the ball made of jigsaw puzzle pieces. I used an AI tool on the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i powered by Intel Core Ultra to generate these.
Yes. Did you try?
So I couldn't see the questions.
Oh, is it not shared?
Oh, now it's there, sir. Before I saw the YouTube and all that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, right. In the system of equations, how C is a constant. For what value of C will there be no solution? In algebra, having no solutions means
The equation is not equal to.
that means no value, no pair of
Yes.
values are there to satisfy that couple of equations. And in geometry, having no solutions means those two lines represent two parallel lines.
Yes, sir.
C this is a line and this is a line.
Yes, sir.
What is the common point to these two lines? Is there any common point? Is there any point in common for these two lines?
Both are parallel.
Yeah, both are parallel. Since both are parallel, there is no common point for these two lines, right?
Yes.
That's why no point of intersection. That means if it is a1x plus a1y, sorry, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0.
Yes.
And a2x
A to B2Y plus C
c2 is equal to 0.
equal to 0.
Have no solution.
Yes, sir.
That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2.
So is the answer C?
Yeah. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 5 and 4x plus cy is equal to 12. Then what
Yes,
is this? Yeah, tell.
It's option C, 8, sir.
That's
because
good. 8 correct only.
yeah, to
How
make
can
them
you say?
parallel, we multiply the first equation by 2. We
Yes.
get 4x plus 8y equals 5. And in order to make it parallel for C, we need to check the y values, coefficients. It's going to be 8.
And as we know, this formula a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 means
2 by 4 equals 4 by C.
2 by 4 is equal to 4 by c. This 2 goes 2 times in 4.
Yes.
When do cross multiplication, c is equal to 8. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Even when C is equal to 8, what happens? Let us see what happens when we put C is equal to 8. Those two equations will become, first equation is same. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5. 4x plus 8y is equal to 12.
12.
Let us multiply the first equation by 2. First equation times 2.
4x plus 8y equals 10.
Yeah, 4x plus 8y is equal to 10.
So it will be an absurd solution.
Yeah, absurd. Very good. Correct word, absurd. Because what happens when we subtract both sides? 4x minus 4x.
0 equals negative to that.
4x cancel, 8y cancel. 0
Yes.
is equal to 2.
Negative.
Equal to is
Yeah.
an absurd statement.
Yes, sir.
These absurd statements resulted when there is a flaw in the equation or solution.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we concluded that when C is equal to 8, this pair of equations have no solution.
Yes.
Right. Good. What? Yeah, actually, this is yes, some of the questions are dummies. You know,
Sir.
you know our kinder edition dummies.
Yes.
That to
Yes.
dummy. Few questions are collected from that book only. Yeah.
So is it negative 2/3?
Yeah. Have you gone through that book?
Yes, sir, I did, but I couldn't make it.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to like
Device through laptop or a mobile or tab.
So I went through the book in my computer and also in my tabs.
Yeah.
iPad. Yeah.
It contains some theory, lot of theory in that book.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, choose one chapter and go through it. For example,
Yes.
algebra. I think algebra is most famous for SAT.
Yes, sir.
Most of the questions are from algebra only.
Yes.
And questions have applications in it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rani, good morning. See. Yeah, done?
Yes, sir. Negative 2/3.
Yeah, this question is collected from that book only. Dummies.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think
So, negative
3 comma 0, right?
0. Yes, sir. And 0, 2.
Yeah. Slope formula by 2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
2 minus 0 by 0 minus 3. So 2/3.
That means negative 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it is not a question. It is some. They are explaining something about a concept, slope concept. In that process, for example, what is the slope of the line shown here? And after that, there is no option. There are no options, and some explanation is there. Yeah, from that passage, I cut this point.
Yes, sir.
This also.
The graph, what is the slope? So is the answer -4?
Yes, exactly. -4. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 over 1 minus 0. -4 over 1. That is equal to -4. That's
yes.
Yes, it is also no, it is not from that book. It is some other book. Actually, don't be confused. There are some questions in SAT also, previous questions. Actually, we know what is f of x, something. We use the symbol f of x like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, for example, imagine it is f or f of x.
Okay, sir.
But we may expect this type of unused on the that means unknown symbols. Unknown symbols may be used to test our knowledge.
No. Yes, sir.
For whatever that unknown symbol is there, you can imagine that is f of x or something like that.
So is the
For any
answer
positive number x, let f be defined as f of x is equal.
So is the answer option E 30?
Yes, that's good. That's good. Right. Actually, it has no name. It's not a symbol at all. Yeah, it is. It has a name only when this is horizontal. If and only for by implies.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Once we know the clarity that it is unknown symbol, just like f, we can answer.
Yes.
Otherwise, we
Yes.
may confuse what is this new symbol in mathematics.
Yes, sir. So it's option D 35.
Option
D 35.
Yeah, how could you do it?
So I just solve for x and then place the x value for x plus 2.
Yeah, you replace x plus 2 by something.
No, sir.
And did you multiply it?
Yes, sir. I'd use the distributive property and I multiplied it.
Okay. Right. And answer is?
Option D 35, sir.
Very good. I think you just multiplied 3x plus 6 like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is asked here?
X plus 2, sir.
X plus 2 is asked. So let x plus 2 be y.
Oh, sir, we can just get 2x plus 2 towards the left side. So it's going to be
Instead of
x.
multiplying, just y.
So it's
Now
3y.
3y is equal to 2y plus 35.
Y equals 35. So x plus 2 equals 35. Yes, sir.
Simply y is equal to 35.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Rani. Your answer is right. Good girl. Rani, from today onwards, we have classes from 4:30 to 7:30. Thank you so much for your interest. A basketball game was played between two teams, the Sharks and the Mariners. There might be the names of the teams. Basketball team name Shark. It's a kind of fish.
Yes.
Mariner is also related to ship.
Yes, sir. They're related to the sea term now.
Together that team scored total of 110 points.
Yes, sir.
And Shark, yeah, it is generally a puzzle question. This puzzle was asked by Endamuri Virendranath in a meeting.
Yes.
And two persons have some money. Total of their money is 110 rupees. First person has 10 rupees more than the second person. Then what are the money at them? That is the question. 110, the total is 110, and the first person has 10 more than that of second person. Yeah. Here also, together the total is 110 points, and the Sharks won by a margin of 10 points. So Sharks has 10 more points than Mariners. How many points did Sharks score?
50, sir.
If Sharks has 50 points, then Mariners should have 60 points because 10
Yes.
plus 60, 110, 120.
Sir, 50 plus 60, 110, no, sir.
Do you think that Sharks has 50 points?
Yes, sir.
Sharks got 50 points.
Yes, sir.
If that team got 50 points, then what's the share of Mariners points?
Oh, 1 second. Sharks won by margin of 10 points. Okay. Won by margin of 10 points.
See, total number of points are 110.
110.
So x plus y is equal to 110.
Oh, I took x plus, 10 plus x equals 110.
See, x is more than y. X is the points that Sharks has, right?
Yes, sir.
How much more? 10.
Mm.
X minus y is equal to 10. Use that point here. Adding?
Yes, sir.
Negative y plus positive y cancel.
2x equals 120. X equals 120 by 260, sir.
60. So Sharks has 60 points. Then Mariners have?
Sir, but they are asking Sharks to score, no, sir.
Yeah, see. First tell. Total 110 points. Sharks have 60 points. Then Mariners have?
50.
50, yeah. 50 plus 60, 120. And 60 is 10 more than 50. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sharks won by a margin of 10 points. That
yes, sir.
The points got by Sharks is more than 10 more than, that is 60 only.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
But the option is saying 50 and 55.
Sorry. It is editing problem. AB is there. C is 60.
Oh, in that case, I got the
Yeah,
answer.
right. D
So
is
I
55.
took 10 plus x as Sharks score plus x equals 110, sir.
Yeah.
So I took Mariners
it's a
score
fault from
x.
my side. Because there are only two options, you may think that either 50 or 55.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. 60
Very
options.
good. It is editing problem. It is length. Yeah. Taking corners by mistake. Last two options are missed.
Yes, sir.
When 15 is decreased by 2x, the result is greater than 5. SAT questions are something like this. Simple. Solution is very simple.
Sir, when 15 is decreased by 2x, that's 15 minus 2x.
Very good. Exactly. That's good. That's
The
good
result
step.
is greater
15
than
minus
5.
2x.
Minus 2.
The result is greater than 5. Just like this.
Yes, sir. So what is the possible integer value of x?
Yeah.
Is
Minus
greater
negative
than-
2x greater than 5 minus 15.
Yes, sir. You'll get x is greater than 5 as the answer.
Negative 10.
Yes, sir.
2x less than 10. Do you know?
Oh, a negative sign.
Yeah. Whenever multiplied by minus on both sides
Less
and
than.
taking reciprocals, greater than will be less than. Next. X less than.
Less than 5.
What is possible? Greatest possible integer. That means what is the integer? What are the values of x?
So it's 4, sir?
Yes, 4 correct answer. Of course, 3, 2, 1 are all there, but the greatest, that means biggest of them, biggest of among them, right? Answer 4 correct. Good.
Yes, sir.
A concert raises a total of $2,400 from ticket sales.
If
How many
half
tickets?
ticket
Yeah. Rani, can you ask this question?
$1.40 each, and the rest of it is discounted rate of $280. How many tickets are sold? Okay.
Simple. Let the total number of tickets be X.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes.
Okay. What is half of them? Half of X is X by 2. X by 2 tickets are sold at the rate of $40 each.
Sir, is there an option missing, sir?
Yeah, all options are there.
Okay.
See, let the total number of tickets be X. Half of total number of X tickets is X by 2. These X by 2 tickets are sold at $40 each. That's why amount character from these X by 2 tickets is X by 2 times 40 plus remaining X by 2 tickets. Remaining X by 2 tickets are sold at a discount rate of $20 each. The total amount is 2,400. Just solve it. That gives the answer. Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Half of the tickets X by 2. Each ticket sold at $40. So X by 2 into times 40 plus remaining half of the tickets. Yes, sold at the rate of $20. That means X by 2 times 20. The total amount collected is 2,400. Rani, can you answer this question? Yes, answer is
60, sir.
why
Option
60?
B.
No. Cancel 2.
Oh, sorry. 8. 8. Calculation mistake. 80, sir.
Yes, correct. 8 correct only.
Yeah.
Are you able to write on the screen?
Me, sir. I think so, sir. I didn't charge it, but I'll try writing on the screen.
Okay. If it's not possible, no problem. Got it? Right. It may not
Yes.
possible to write. No problem.
Yes. I can just put the ticket.
It is 20. That means 20x
Yes, sir.
plus 10x
Yes, sir.
is equal to 2400. X is equal to 2400 by 30.
30, 0, 0.
240 by 3 is equal to 80. So
80.
answer is 80.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it.
1 second. The lines x plus half y and y equals x equals and y equals intersect at the point. What is a plus b? How do I find it? Do I do the system of
See,
inequality?
yeah. See, the lines x is equal to half y plus a and y is equal to 1 by 4th x plus b intersect at the point 1 comma 2. What is the value of a plus b, right?
Yes,
You don't
sir.
have, you need not to solve them because it's not possible to solve even because each equation contains unknowns. A is unknown, b is unknown, right? Then
Yes, sir.
what to do? Simple. See, just add those two equations. First equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Yeah, x plus, sorry, add left hand sides.
So
X plus
half
y.
y plus
We are adding
yes,
the left hand sides x, y, x plus y. Got it?
yes, sir.
Is equal half y
Plus a.
plus half y plus 1 by 4x plus a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute this value. Plug in it. Replace x by 1 and y by 2. What happens?
Plus equals
1 plus
half
2
of
is equal to half of 2 plus 1/4 of
1/4 of 1, sir.
very good plus a plus b. This is 3.
Equals
To cancel 1 plus 1 by
1.
4 plus a plus b, right?
Yes, sir.
3 minus 1 minus 1 by 4. LCM 2 minus 1 by 4
Yes, sir.
means simplify it. LCM 4.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 1.
7 by 4, sir.
Not 10. 7
7,
by
sir.
4. Very good. Option C.
Option C, sir.
Or you can do it simply in another way. Substitute this value separately. What happens? 1 is equal half into 2 plus A.
Oh, yes, sir.
To
Separate.
cancel. A is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Do the same for equation 2.
Yes,
Y
sir.
is equal means 2 is equal 1/4 times 1 plus B.
Yes.
2 minus 1/4 is equal to B. 7 over 4 is equal to B.
Yes.
Then A plus B is equal 7 over 4 plus, sorry, 0 plus 7 over 4
Yes, sir.
is equal to 7 over 4.
Yes.
That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can enjoy this question.
How many solutions does the equation have?
Can I write separate clearly?
Yes, sir.
The equation, the given equation is,
Yes, sir. I got it.
you got it right. 6 times 3x minus 2. Negative 3 times 2 minus 6x. How many solutions that this equation has?
18x minus 12 equals negative 6 plus 18. Sir, is there an option missing? Or is it just that?
How many solutions? Solution is not asked. Solution is not important here. How many
Yes,
solutions?
sir.
One solution, two solutions, or infinitely many solutions? Oh, right. One option is missed. Good.
Because there's no
Actually,
solution.
it is a tester. Expert?
No solution, sir.
Yeah. How do you expect this?
So when we solve it, we get 18x minus 18x and then equals.
Yeah. You can also use some common sense because it is actually test. Without solving, without giving its answer, it can't show the next question.
Yes, sir.
To see the next question in that test series, test process, we have to mark the correct option.
Yes.
Soon after marking the option, we have to submit. After submitting, it highlights the correct option. That means
Yes.
with a green border.
Yes.
Okay. To hide the correct answer, I cut that option. That's why some green line is there.
Yes.
Okay, right. Yeah. What's your reason to say it has no solution?
So when we solve it, we get 18x minus 18x equals
Absurd. An absurd result, right?
Yeah. So we'll get 0 equals.
Very good. 18x minus 12 is equal negative 6 plus 18x. 18x get cancelled. Negative 12 is equal to negative 6. It is absurd. That's why it has no solution.
Yes, sir.
Same. Similar concept.
So is it 0?
You think that no solution?
I think so, sir. Because y equals x plus 5. Y equals x will be the thing.
Yes, y equal x. So that means
So
we can replace y by x. Result of
So y equals 5 plus 5?
Yeah, y is equal to x. We can use in the first equation.
So either way, it's gonna give 0 equals 5, no sir. Then it's gonna be upside.
Yeah, x cancels 0 is equal to 5, which is absurd, impossible.
Yes.
That's why it has no solution. That means option A. Yeah, in graphs, it mentions graphs, right?
Yes.
You know what happens when we try to draw graph?
No, sir.
You know Desmos? What is that site name?
Desmos.
Desmos, right? Remember these two equations?
Yes, 1 second. Y equals x plus 5.
We,
5y, 5x. Yes.
we wonder why it has no solution. Desmos.
Yes.
Is it access from India? He has it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to start? Try it now.
Sir, graphing calculators. No, sir. Graphing calculator. Down.
Math tools.
Let's learn together.
Yeah,
Graphing
right.
calculator.
Okay. Yeah. First, tell what is first equation. Y is equal.
Y equals x plus 5.
Yes. Have you seen? It's the graph of that.
Mm.
Yeah, another graph. What's the other graph?
5y equals 5x.
5y is equal to 5x. That means y is equal to, yeah, we can write 5y
Y equals x.
is equal to
X.
5x. Yes,
5.
you can see. Can we reduce its size so that see completely?
Yes, we
Is
can.
there any
Yeah,
option?
the minus in there
Is that
towards your right side. No, sir. The minus.
minus, right? Okay, okay. Reducing. Okay, okay.
That's plus to zoom in.
Okay, okay, right. Zooming, just like them, right? Yeah. Anyhow, it's enough for us. Can you see red line is first graph, blue line is
Yes.
second graph.
Yes, sir.
So what is common point? Where do they intersect?
No, sir. They're parallel lines.
Yeah, they are not intersecting. That's why it has no solution.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. What are the some other math tools?
I don't know, sir. I kind of use Desmos. We can use Desmos for everything. It will give us answers for. It is like a calculator also. If we write
That
it
means
down.
does it have logarithms, logs also? That means log x, log y also like that.
Yes, sir.
See, you can see log. Is that log or login? Log. Okay, okay. Just meant is a login, not mathematical log.
If we are using our phone or something, if we go to the calculator and put on log x value or something, it will give us the graph and also the answers.
Right. Let us use this graph in the next class. I strongly suggest you to be there, but the class. That's why I have sent both links to you.
Yes, sir. I'll try, sir.
Yeah, whenever possible. Try to get time.
Yes. Try, sir.
At least for a few minutes.
Yes, I'll try, sir.
Right.
And I have 12 credits going on.
Yes. We see practically why. Yeah, we saw practically why these two equations have no solutions. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now. A proposal for a new bike lane was included on an election ballot. A local radio station stated that 3 times as many people voted in favor of the proposal as people who voted against it. A social media post reported that 12,000 more people voted in favor of the proposal than voted against it. Based on this data, see how sad questions are these. These are very lengthy process. That means lengthy matter.
Yes, sir.
Our solution is very simple. How many people voted against the proposal? I know, I came to know that there are some voting system in states for a proposals. For example, proposal for a new bike lane. That means a road.
Yes, sir.
Especially in colonies or some states. Some told me that some kind of election voting is conducted for that proposal to construct a park or construct for a park for children or something like that. If number of votes uh, is got, then it proportion is sanctioned like that for communities. Yeah. Anyhow, a local radio station stated that 3 times as many people voted in favor of.
The proposal
Yeah.
as
Let the favorable let the favor be x. Favor be x against by. Against y. Which is more? 12,000 people. More people voted for favor. Favor is highest. So
yes,
x is equal y plus 12,000. Got it?
yes, sir.
Favorable votes is 12,000 more than that of against votes.
Yes, sir.
And x is 3 times y. A local radio station stated that 3 times as many people voted in favor of the proposal as people who voted against it is equal to, yes, 3 times y is equal to x. Solve it. Just solve. Just replace x by 3y.
By 3y.
Then you will see negative words. Count of negative words nodes can be obtained by replacing x by 3y.
So is it 600?
That's good. Very good.
So 600 times y, that's 6,000. That's the answer. Sorry.
See,
600
negative.
times.
Yeah, pause. How many people vote? Yeah, negative vote is 6,000. Correct only.
600, sir? 1,000?
No, 6,000. See, when we replace x by 3y is equal to y plus 12,000. 2y is
Oh,
equal to
12,000.
12,000.
I wrote 1,200. Yes, sir, 12,000.
Y is equal to 6,000.
Yes, sir.
Then x is equal to how much?
12,000.
18,000.
3. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Then the positive vote is 12,000 more and 3 times. Very good, Rani. Your answer is right. Yes, these are the questions. And I'd like to teach you this same concept in depth. That's why I just collected random questions from various websites and various candidates.
Yes.
And just stay for a few minutes, at least for a few minutes, so that you will see how the questions are. And those are very interesting. And those are high level questions. And you will know in-depth straight lines. That means geometry. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You know the link?
Yes, I have it.
Yeah. Yeah, today you called me, you messaged me at 4:30 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Right. At the same time, I received a missed call from a unknown number. That's why. Oh, yeah, you didn't call me. You just messaged me only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just after a couple of minutes, you can make a call.
Yes.
But don't try to make general call because it's very expensive, I think, from states.
Yes, sir.
Highly expensive from states.
Yes.
Of course, from here also it is highly expensive. Okay, right. Okay, Tanika, thank you. See you in the next class.